So no precipitation showing up on SkyTracker Doppler radar, but I do have the satellite data turned on, lots of clouds out there. As we widen out the view, I want to show you where this area of high pressure is. It's actually dropping southeast. So as it swings off to our east, it's going to turn our winds around to the southeast. And the result, warmer temperatures tomorrow. So when you wake up in the morning, it's still cold, mid-20s, it's dry, partly cloudy skies, but see that wind direction, that's key. Southeast. As a result, we warm up fast tomorrow. By noon, we're already up to 43. I'm expecting 50 for the high tomorrow afternoon, almost 10 degrees above average. And then by 6 p.m., we're mostly clear and 42. Okay, as promised, let's talk about this winter storm. I'm going to show you two different computer models. Know that there's lots more, but I just want to give you an idea of how different they are, okay? So here's one example starting at 1 a.m. Wednesday morning, so just after midnight Tuesday night. It shows St. Louis already in a bit of a wintry mix, and when I say mix, I'm talking rain, sleet, snow, freezing rain, all possible in that area. So already in the mix in St. Louis by around 1 a.m., but it pretty quickly changes over the St. Louis area to all snow by 6 a.m. Wednesday and then keeps us in all snow. That's example one. Okay, example two. This one does not show St. Louis into the wintry mix until about 5 a.m. Wednesday morning. And then watch this. See the snow line? Basically the transition line between the mix and the snow. Watch how little it moves. All day Wednesday, very little southward progression. It doesn't really show St. Louis fully into the snow until pretty late Wednesday night. I mean, maybe even after midnight. That's a huge difference. So if we don't enter the snow until this late, we get this much snow. If we get into the snow early Wednesday morning, we get this much snow, right? So lots of variability, computer models all over the board. This is why you don't see a forecast for specific numbers for us before about 48 hours out. Steve will likely get some of that information to you tomorrow, but at this point, if I gave you real specific numbers, there wouldn't be a lot of confidence behind that forecast, and what's the point in that? Now, here's something I can do for you, okay? Probabilities. So as of now, at least in the St. Louis area, the probability of 4 inches of snow or more, I would say pretty good. I mentioned it at the top of the show. Plowable snow looking pretty likely, 75% probability. 6 inches or more, we're going to call that a 50% probability. And I know some of you have seen stuff floating around the internet showing a foot of snow for St. Louis, okay? Well, the probability of that happening, calling that about 20%. It's, there's a lot of different computer models. They show lots of different things, and it's not unusual for them to vary wildly in the days leading up to a storm, which is, again, why we're not putting out numbers without that confidence at this point. Again, the probability of over a foot, pretty low. All right, consider your sources. Here's what we're looking at over the next several days. Dry weather tomorrow up to 50, 53 on Tuesday. That's just rain. We're not worried about wintry weather on Tuesday. The big question mark is, when do we change over to all snow? And that just is not clear at this point. Thursday, we're in the all snow at that point. I will tell you, our heaviest snow, the majority of our accumulation will likely occur between Wednesday night into Thursday. Pretty cold temperatures here. We are below freezing, I would say, until at least Saturday. And then by Sunday, we start to warm things up back to more seasonal levels. Okay.